Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you guys how to use the Revlon one-step styler. Disclaimer, it is all the hype and I definitely think this product is godsend. It is so amazing. I have extremely curly hair. Well, not extremely curly, but I have really curly hair, and it smooths out all my curls and gives it this really nice blown out look in under 15 minutes. And I really think that if you're on the fence about investing in a product like this or investing in this particular product, you need to go out and get it. It is super affordable, so easy to use, and it is just so great. It comes with a couple of different settings. So there's a low heat and a high heat, and then there's also a cool setting there as well. So if you wanted to really give yourself a very voluminous curled out look, and you wanted to set that curl in, you would be able to use that cool setting to get exactly that. So I'm gonna stop talking and let me take you through how I got my hair from curly and frizzy and not so cute to looking like I just came out of a hair salon. So if you wanna learn how to use the one-step styler and let me make you into a believer, then please keep on watching. So first and foremost, I'm going in with a thickening mousse. I'm taking a palm full of this mousse and applying it evenly throughout my hair. The one I'm using today is from a brand called R+Co, and it's called the Rodeo Star. Next up, I'm going in with some heat protectant. I'm using Good Behavior today from IGK Hair. It has frizz control and heat protectant, and it smells amazing. It's definitely one of my favorite products. Now, just with a regular blow dryer, I'm making sure that my hair is about 50% dry. This is actually a trick I learned from a hairdresser. In order to get that really beautiful, smooth, blown out look, you don't want to have soaking wet hair, so you can either let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer like I'm doing here and just blow dry your hair. Now I'm splitting my hair into two halves and clipping that top half away because I'm gonna work on the bottom half first. Now splitting that again into halves and taking the Revlon one-step styler, I am just running it through my hair like I would do with a brush. Now the trick here is to keep rotating it and really kind of getting underneath that root so you smooth out that curl really nicely. Now for the top half of my hair, I'm going to blow dry all of that hair to the front. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get a really nice lift at the root because I want to create that voluminous look to my hair. So as you see, I'm going over and under and really using that one-step styler from different directions to really get that really beautiful, wispy, blown out look here. And again, continue to rotate it in different directions as you are pulling it through your hair. You're going to get really silky, smooth hair this way. One thing I forgot to mention is that I use the high heat setting when I'm using the Revlon one-step styler. It does get really hot, so just be careful. The low setting I find just doesn't take out the curl as nicely for me, so I like using the high heat setting, but of course, work through it and see what you like best. And as you see, I'm going through the crown of my head and pulling all of that hair to the front and rotating the one-step styler and making sure that I'm really smoothing out all of that hair. Just going through it one last time, ensuring that all the curls are taken out. Again, I want that really nice lift and volume, so I will always pull the hair from the crown and anything after that to the front of my face. that's it, guys. That entire process took me less than 15 minutes to do. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to keep up with more of the content that I'll be creating and just to get an alert every time I post something on this channel, I would love it if you would click that bell button down below and subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!